Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole and I make D&D miniatures. Happy New Year! It's 2019. I hope you had a good Christmas break or holiday or winter break or time off, anything like that. Whatever you did, I hope that it was good. And if you didn't do anything, I hope you had a good regular couple weeks. And today I'm making a spooky motherfucker. So this spooky dude was a request, but I'm not allowed to look up what it is. So this will be interesting because I'm going to make it based on one picture. Here's the picture I was sent. I don't know what it is, and it looks scary as fuck. Honestly, it just looks like a giant floating undead baby thing. I was like, hell yeah, I'm gonna make this because this looks absolutely crazy. So first things first, I have to make an armature. I know I'm gonna use aluminum foil, like a ball for the center. Armature is done. I'm gonna go ahead and put the first skin on it so that it stays all together and all the wire stays in place. Let's just jump right into it. Okay, so the first skin is on it. So far it's going the way that I envision. I haven't had anything like break or be super weird or anything like that, so I'm lucky. Thank you. Now we're getting to the fun part where, you know, the skin's on it, it's all baked, the wire should all stay in place, nothing should move, we get to do the details, so this is gonna be the fun part. I know I want to add some, like, tumors to it, or something. Like, the picture looks like it's got weird, like, bulbousy bits and like skin and veins and it's super weird looking, so I'm gonna try to do some like tumors and stuff like that. All right, let's yeah, get back to it. It looks so gross, but I love it. Did you see its little baby leg is my favorite thing in the whole world. I think that's my favorite thing I've ever made. And the tumors, I mean, I don't know that they look like tumors, but they sure look like something because the veins over top of it, ugh, oh, it's nasty. Guys, this thing is f***ing gross. Side note, I feel like I actually learned things. Sculpting this mini has gone the smoothest of all the things that I've made so far. I haven't run into any problems with this. To me, that means that I learned from my past mistakes. Like, nothing is drooping, nothing's breaking off, everything seems like really nice and solid. I don't think I have any pieces that are sticking out that aren't supported. I'm super pumped. Like, I'm really proud of this guy so far. Like, he is gross. Don't get me wrong. He's absolutely disgusting. But that's the point. I'm really happy with it so far. I don't know, I feel like I can see my progress making this thing, and I'm really excited about it. Time to bake it, and then I'm gonna prime it. And then the scary part is when you make a sculpture that you really love, and then you ruin it with a paint job. So let's hope that doesn't happen. He's really cool so far. Ew, he's gross. I'm gonna try to do a little bit of like bright red dry brush on the ends of his like tumors and really hope I don't f it up. Alright, so I have put the finish on it, and it's so disgusting that it's kind of amazing. I'm just gonna show it to you, okay? So this guy is absolutely disgusting. Look at his little baby leg. This one, it's my favorite leg. So yeah, I love this guy. I don't know what it is, but I think it did a pretty good job of making him look undead and maybe fetus-like and absolutely disgusting. Alright, I think that's a great way to start off the new year, and I hope you guys liked that. Thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to make more. If you want to see more of my miniatures, check out my website. It's NicoleBruceArt.com. I have all kinds of pictures up there and links to all my like social medias and stuff, but I'll also have links in the description if you want to find me on the internet and hang out with me. Yeah, if you like the video, please like the video. I'm going to be making miniatures more often, so if you want to make sure you don't miss any videos, hit subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!